This is my ultimate brownie recipe. It's rich and chocolatey and made with fresh raspberries. The secret ingredient is using buttermilk, which gives it a beautiful fudgy texture and tangy flavour. The first thing I'm going to do is melt down my chocolate with unsalted butter, good quality cocoa powder, and sunflower oil. Now you want to do this over a saucepan of gently simmering water in a heat-proof bowl. When your chocolate mixture is combined, just remove from the heat and set aside to cool completely. Now we'll start making our mixture. We'll add our eggs, and I've got a mix of brown sugar and caster sugar and vanilla extract. Whisk together to combine. When that's all nice and combined, we're going to add plain flour, some baking powder, a pinch of salt, and our buttermilk. And then just whisk that all together, but do this gently. Now that our batter's all mixed together, we're going to add our cooled melted chocolate mixture. Now whisk this all together to combine. And you want to give this quite a good whisk here, which will again help with that nice shiny top. Now we're going to fold in half of our raspberries and do this gently so you don't break them up. Now that our mixture's combined, we're going to pour it into our pre-lined 20 by 30 centimetre pan, and I've just lined it with some excess baking paper just so it's nice and easy to lift out when it's cooked. Smooth the top of the brownie using a small palette knife, or you can just use the back of a spoon. Now we're going to pop the brownie in the oven at 160 for an hour and a half. Our brownie is out of the oven. I cooled it completely to room temperature and then chilled it for about 30 minutes just to let it firm up a little bit. It's got that beautiful glossy crackly top and I can't wait to eat it. So you can just place it on your serving tray and then remove the baking paper. The hardest part of making these brownies is leaving them alone until they cool completely, but I promise you it will all be worth it when you take the first bite. For this recipe and more, go to delicious.com.au.